Hello everyone, I'm Kim Hana, your Korean friend. 안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 김하나입니다. 여러분 한국 친구입니다. Today we start animals name in Korean. So today I'll explain you sea animals and insects in Korean in detail, short and easy way. So first of all, we will start with our pretty sea animals and then our beautiful insects. Interesting Korean facts. The Korean word for ocean is hae and marine is haeyang. In Korean culture, sea animals are often associated with good luck and prosperity. For example, the octopus is considered a symbol of good fortune and intelligence. The Korean government has designed several marine species as endangered marine species, including the North Atlantic right whale, grey whale, and humpback whale. Korea has a rich tradition of marine life observation and research, with many scientists and researchers studying the country's diverse marine ecosystem. Korean cuisine features many seafood dishes such as silleji, jango, and ojingo bokkeum. But before starting, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram Kim Hana Class. At the Bada or sea, you will find these sea creatures: dolgore, sango, gore, ge, badat kaje, seo, Heppari, Muno. If you want to write this, then pause the video. Ojingo, Hema, Gauri, Bulgasari, Mulge. Fun fact, it's literally water dog. Bada Gobuk, Bada Kokiri, Sudal, Jango. If you want to write this, then pause the video. Learn Korean with animals. The Korean language has many words related to animals, making it fun and engaging way to learn vocabulary. Many Korean songs and dramas feature animals such as the fish, mulgogi, and the dog, ge, which can help learn associate word with meanings. Korean language learners can use flashcards and quizzes to practice vocabulary related to sea animals and the other wildlife creatures. I hope this Korean fact about sea animals are helpful and informative. Korean facts on insects. Korea is a home to approximately 12,000 reported species of insects, which is less than 30% of the total estimated insect species in the country. The Korean insects database, created with the support of the KISTI, includes information on 1800 species of Korean insects, primarily focused on Lepidoptera, butterflies and moths. Insects are the most diverse group of animals in the world, making up over 80% all animals species. Insects can be real haechung, but it's still good to learn their name, especially if you get stung soyoda by one. Gemi, muhanguedo, nabi, jamjari, metugi, bakwibolle. If you want to write this, then pause the video. Gomi, takjongbolle, ball, 벌집, 무당벌레, 벌레, 사마귀, 모기, 진돗기, 파리, 정갈. If you want to write this, then pause the video. Congratulations, you have now learned all sea animals and insect name in Korean. Obviously, it will take time and practice to master in Korean sea animals and insects name, but if you memorize the following word, you will be able to pronunciation correctly. Now in the next video, we will start sounds, related words and phrases and how to count Korean animals in Korean. So stay tuned. 감사합니다. 안녕.